Oh, these for sale? '69 Camaro right there. '68. That's a '68.
See, original be like.
I'm alright. How about yourself? Yep. That Charger bitch.
The little buggies and let them out here. On the red door.
David Hayden.
Yeah, I do.
What do you do, bro?
Zena.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. I'm so crap for this one.
They hitting them things. Look at him right here. That's a Mustang. Hey, he said he get on Darian ass.
Damn, look, that's the last car, dude.
Huh?
That's the last one.
Damn, look, creeping too. Get that motherfucker, burn out or something. Burn out, nigga. Got them 20s on that bitch. They keep it clean.
It's a lady. It's a lady driving that shit. Oh, hell no.
Said it's a lady.
He said,
We
burn
can
on
keep
that
going.
motherfucker.
Knew she wasn't gonna do that. Look at our town compared to LA. I mean Atlanta and LA. Weak people.
That's not even our town.
This ain't even our town.
This is a town over.
Look at the Ethiopians.
Hey, let me talk about it.
Oh, what up? What up with you? Good?
Good.
Oh yeah.
Got 1 and 2 right here.
How you doing? Look got some more right here. I love that mug. We're gonna get there in a minute. We're gonna be in the Caprice on the 6s out here, watch. See that blower? Shit. Look. That's a Nova too. Man. Yeah, they expensive right now. Yeah. Yeah.
And we out here, you know, we from Riverside, you know where we at.
Look at Ledge hanging out the window. Ledge.
Everybody else looking so.
Who's Ledge?
Bang.
Who? Nigga, Pops ain't gonna hit that motherfucker. Hell no. Pops ain't hit that motherfucker. Coming around the corner. That's the one in the red truck, I bet. Look at that wide lip on that Chevelle right there, that black one. That lip in the back.
That's toe mate.
That Malibu.
Hit that shit.
He said he heard you.
David.
He said he heard you.
Look at them. I'm going home. Fuck this.
I gotta go.
Oh. Hold on. Something else coming. That Tristan on the end with the doors open and shit.
Nah, this ain't video worthy right now.
That one clean.
Little monster truck? That's hard.
Yeah, he can.
Oh, a little hot rod? That's crazy.
I've been out here trying to flex his some shit. Damn.
That's just hard.
And he got the wipe job. That's a 69.
Okay, we got like classics. Okay. Hit the hydraulics, eh?
Hell no, he ain't ready. He ain't bow-legged. He definitely ain't hit that motherfucker. Yeah, Autumn, that's tough. Hey, that's when they ride that Tommy gun and pull up on your ass right there.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's that Tommy gun. That's that mob shit. Nigga, that door open, you know what time it is. Hit that motherfucker. Hell nah.
I feel dog in the back.
That's an OG.
Look at me. Yeah, they got a fan in that motherfucker. Darian. It's my Mustang in here. Tahoe, get your ass. We see you all the time. This Tristan, I got new shit. That's that clan shit. Riding on the back of the truck. Right here. Look at them. That's that clan shit.
He cammed up too.
Don't do it.
Hey.
Cold as hell. This month right here tipping. That's that mob car too. That's a mob car too. Pull up and look. You know what time it is.
Robert De Niro, motherfucker. No.
The lack. The girl, what did you say?
What does that mean? Yeah, tell me.
What sound is your gun made? Yeah!
Get up! I hope so. I hope so. The F-350 on your.
350, yeah, that's right.
You heard it a little bit. Yeah. He said, "Get up, get up."
What sound your gun made?
Make the sound.
I'm gonna make a lot of sound.
Right.
This some shit Tristan to hook up. This. What do you say?
I ain't say nothing. Oh, that's your horn.
See, I want one of them. I want one of
What
them.
movie was that?
Let me buy that motherfucker.
Females.
No, there's her husband's truck.
That's hard. Yeah, I don't know about
Yep. David, what are they looking at?
Okay, little hot rod.
Look at that little rat rod.
Oh shit! Where'd the car go? Fuck out the road.
Oh, he's dropping that motherfucker for you, Dave.
Okay. No.
You got bad.
You hear me? That shit got knots in the back. Look at the tank.
Bag too.
What did Scooby do? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery.
He told the brother.
Creeping. We're trying to go into.
Let me come outside. Oh my God.
He got that old dooley bitch, don't he, Tristan?
Tristan, that's you right there. Look, that's
not
you.
me.
No, I gotta be black metallic, high country.
Metallic, but.
Two colors.
Oh shit. Look here, hold on. I might not have to record him.
Oh, no. Put that shit away. Put that shit away.
Y'all stupid.
Hold on. You see that? That's what we don't do. That right there.
Cut the video.
Look.
No, Trump gave us that money. Fuck you talking about?
A young dude.
Jimmy. Trump gave us that bag. What the fuck you talking about?
Davey, your rival over there.
GTO is fucking clean.
Raider. That's your team, man.
Oh, he got that haircut. That's what Tristan wanted earlier. You see that haircut? That's what Tristan wanted earlier.
They talking about his haircut.
That's what he wanted earlier.
He got a point in the back.
Uh-huh.
He do? He got a point in the back.
That shit stinks.
That's just for like, hey.
That car just says some fucking
He need to redo his fuel line.
Oh, shit. That just smell like Badussi.
No, hell no.
Nah, Badussi.
Look at them.
Smell like that and shit.
They wonder why Abraham got hit. Look who driving. Go ahead. Look at that black dude over there. Line and shit. Look at that black dude over there line and shit.
Tristan, there's kids around, dude. Stop.
There's a baby right there. Where the hell is that? How did it get in?
They're popping. Button.
A button.
I was gonna do that at first.
Oh, that's.
Look at them wheels in the back. Hell yeah. Impala right there. Impala. Charger. They coming through again, huh?
You seen this one already?
Yep. I remember it was a Charger. And that red car we first came.
It's crazy. The body's the same. For the most part.
Really that thing, Pop? Hey, Pops. Oh. His name Pops. You hear that thing? You hear it? Yeah.
And the exhaust in the front.
You seen the fenders in the front? You said you ready to go back to Spokane? Like shit. I don't see nothing going on.
What are you guys talking
What's the
about?
problem? I don't see the problem.
Boy, no, it's no more. Think. I didn't see her. I wasn't looking at
She
her.
was like,
What's the wait time? What's the wait time? What you guessing?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, that's like normal. 12 and 50 for 20.
Hey, they better respect
Huh?
it. They better stay to it. They better
Yeah.
stay to it.
there's probably weights.
Yeah. Is this one different?
Yeah, but I put one over there to see what they
Look at this white girl, y'all.
Look at my hat. Y'all don't got this stuff. Hold on.
Hey, stop playing. And don't be lying either. I know it's minimum 20. Ain't it, dude? Like a little mall scene.
Maybe not.
Nothing over there?
Should have fucking asked that, huh?
I know, right? You gotta do the talking. Say your color.
I fucking asked somebody once. Okay, thank you.
Look at David over there.
Where you at?
Walk the back over there.
Easy.
Yeah. We was going the right way the first time.
Bro, we were on the right track.
Mm-hmm. Look, the sign right there.
She said, go downstairs. They ain't our friends. They're not our friends.
Them your boys.
Yeah, they actually do that a lot.
Thank you. Look, Lucky.
Damn, this the menu. Okay. Legend got a new tablet. I bet they must attract. But they got the little menu on this motherfucker. What y'all getting? Y'all finna eat?
I'm getting some calamari for appetizer, but
That's squid shit, ain't it?
yeah, the chicken parmesan or the like baked 3-cheese tortellini. That's just something. That shit look good.
Anybody got some Tylenol on them? Hell no.
I think I'm doing that.
this is a one.
I think I'm doing that.
Des be lying. I usually do.
I do. Y'all know.
Where the fuck the drink menu at? That's my question.
I need some food.
For real, my head is already hurting.
Back
From the bar.
from the bar. Bottle. No, I'm sorry. I don't even want no bottle. Shell us some cocktails.
That's one.
Good. How are you? Good.
Just want to start with some drinks.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Big Stuff?
Sure
They
did.
from, oh, so, we came and sat at this table, right?
Hello.
We came and sat at this table, right? And they gave us they gave us like 4 of us water.
You can't see it on that one, but ours had stuff floating. We asked, was it lemon
They
water?
had chunks of stuff floating in the water. She's like, oh, it's just because we stacked the cups. What is that?
We don't even want no water.
No, it's filtered.
I'm
I don't
good.
even drink that. I drink Arrowhead.
What your gun sound like?
Huh?
What your gun sound like? Give me.
What your gun sound like?
Get up, get up.
What's your gun sound like?
My gun?
Yeah.
Shit, that bitch quack.
It what?
Quack.
Des, what your gun sound like?
I don't even got one.
Down here. I don't. Autumn. David. Pops.
Pops, what your gun sound like? Pops crazy. Hey y'all, look. So Pops, how old are you again? Pops 14. What are you outside?
Thuggin'.
We outside tonight.
We outside.
Huh?
Arigato.
Chill out.
Oh my God.
Look, he being racist. He tripping. Hey, Marquise would have been the worst. Oh my God. He would have been the
I'm
worst.
telling you, in Vegas, bro, when that shit first happened, this motherfucker going to everybody.
What shirt is that?
Arigato. Everybody said, huh?
Not you yelling it.
That Da Vinci bitch. Yeah.
Not him yelling that loud.
Chill out.
Hey, they play for China.
Hey, she had a headache, and the woman, I was like, you got some Tylenol? She's like, what? Tylenol or Advil? She's like, well, I can't give you nothing. I'm like, you got anything around here? She's like, nah, no store. They hear it. They know what you're saying. They had to order regular food. See?
I didn't know they were speaking something.
They. But I told her I'm from Germany, so she went to the back and got some Advil out of her coworker purse. We had to wipe it off with the napkin because I ain't know if it was something. We in Coeur d'Alene.
Yeah. This is not our city for real. Let me show you the woman right here. But this is not our city for real. What do they got going on? Graduation maybe?
It's my name. I've never been there.
Dave's Hut.
Dave's Hot Chicken.
But we are not from here, this city. But we'll be back when we get our food. That one?
What state you got, David? Cheesy bread.
I thought it was butter, honestly.
It's good.
All right, y'all. So this we got the 3 cheese tortellini with chicken and shrimp. Then we got what piece is this?
Hot honey.
Hot honey pizza.
Honey sriracha.
How are you?
Everybody basically got the same thing. But we'll end that video off here. We finna go turn up at the club.